Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm going to show you how I make my Star-Anise tea. You can have it warm or you can serve it cold. It's a delicious super spiced tea. The star is the anise in this refreshing drink and it's very simple to make. There are loads of benefits of each and every spice that I use. I urge you to kindly look at my spice and herb series and go through all of those advantages. First, warm up your pot. You can toast your spices if you want to as well. Today I'm using 1 Ceylon cinnamon, 4 star anise and 1 clove. Add it to your warm pot and then you can add your boiling water. I'm making tea for a family of 4 today, so I'm adding approximately 1 liter of boiling water. This is a great tea to have either hot or cold. And because it's such a hot day, I am going to serve it cold. We first need to give the spices some time to steep in that water and permeate into the water. And you can help that process by mixing it occasionally. If you want to crush your spices or grind your spices and then add it to the boiling water, you can also do that, but then maybe add a little extra boiling water so it's not too strong for you. And once you're ready to serve, you can always strain your water and strain the ingredients out and then serve. After I've given my boiling water and the spices a few minutes together so it infuses into that boiling water, I'm now ready to add my tea. You can use loose tea, you can use any type of tea leaves, you can use green tea, you can use your favorite tea. And today I'm just going to add some tea bags. Again, you only need a few minutes for the tea bag to also release all its goodness into the tea. And once you've given it some time to brew, you can turn down your heat and then switch off and add a sweetener of choice. If you are adding honey, you do need to let your tea cool down a little bit before adding your honey. Alternatively, you can add a sweetener of your choice or maple syrup. Today I'm adding some maple syrup. I've added 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Let that dissolve into your tea. And once it's dissolved, you can then add some fresh lemon. I usually add about half a lemon, the juice of half a lemon. Once you've mixed it, you can then serve it warm. Alternatively, you can add it to a jug like I'm doing today and refrigerate it. And once it's chilled slightly in the fridge, you can serve. I've made these beautiful Star-Anise ice today, and I use them in both my circular and my square or rectangular ice cube trays. And it just adds to the aesthetic when you're serving your iced tea. You can add a slice of lemon if you wish. And then serve your beautiful amber colored iced tea. And while your ice starts to melt, the star anise continues to infuse the tea. And it's not just gorgeous to look at, it's really refreshing, extremely delicious, and filled with nutritional value. So a reminder is that star anise can be used in so many of your dishes to cook with, but can also be used in many teas. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it as much as our family does. Please subscribe, kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's kitchen. I am Selena.